Garfield, I have something for you. Uy, uy, nagpalapit siya sa akin. No, you cannot eat because you're not loving me, huh? Garfield. Ay, no, no. Because you're not loving me. Garfield, I have something for you. Nan, you cannot have it because you don't want to be pet. Oh, you don't want, but you want to eat. Garfield. Garfield, come here. Garfield, come here. Someone. Gusto niya mo. Kaya yan. Garfield. Okay, boy. You want to eat? Spice. Gusto siya makaon mo. Garfield. Pero hindi na siya magpa-touch. Just smell it. Di ka na. Ayaw niya. Ah. No, no. Ah. Bye-bye. Eat well. Bye.